Now we'll go over our exterior module. This exterior module is comprised of various components in which I will go over one by one before doing full operation of the system. Of course, the system will integrate our float switch. It has an a small LED circuit, which is connected to our main PCB. This is the small LED circuit right here. And this is the front plate. Here is our backup battery, which is connected via JST pin to our 1000C power boost, which is our main power supplier to the system. Here is our alternate power, which will be our main power source in our case, which is a plug, a 12-volt plug at 2 amps, I believe. This is a power boost 1000 IC, then routes to our main PCB, which allows power to be sent to various components. This power is routed to our relay to power our relay in order to create scheduled operations in which we want the HVAC system to shut down, as well as powers our Arduino Nano ESP32, which allows power for our LEDs and allows logic for our relay. Likewise, I also like to highlight our voltage sensor circuit, which Arduino Nano also covers, in which it detects if a float has occurred within the hot and common lines within our mimic transformer, which mimics the same transformer you would see inside a typical HVAC system. Here I would also like to highlight our power switch, which was implemented in order to debug the system without having to dismantle anything or disconnect anything. All you would have to do is turn off the system, and once you want the 5 volts to route everywhere, as well as logic, you would just power the system back on, and the Arduino Nano will allow this. Now the whole system is connected. One thing I would like to highlight currently, our LEDs aren't on because our 5-volt power switch is currently off, indicating that our Arduino Nano is off also. Now we'll turn it on. It boots, our LEDs turn on, our power boost 1000 IC is charging our battery while also supplying power to our system. Now I'll showcase what occurs when a float is detected. Now the operation LED is on. As you can see, the relay has switched and our system should come back eventually. Now I'll also demonstrate an instance where power goes out. So our flow switch activates, our power disconnects from our plug, and the system now operates behind battery power and works the same.